How to fix Outlook sync issues. Now, there are different kinds of factors why you are experiencing this kind of problem. The very main factor is to make sure that your internet connection is stable and not intermittent. So if this is going to be your first time using Outlook, and if you're currently under the syncing process, and then your internet connection got disconnected suddenly, then it should crash eventually. So all you have to do first is make sure that you have a stable internet speed. And then the other thing that you can do is make sure that you're running or using the latest version of Outlook. Just simply go into their official website and check out the latest version possible and double check on what you're currently using. So those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Outlook sync issues.